and thanks for joining me. I am your pattern drafting tutor. Today I'll be talking about everything you need to know about measurements and proportions for drafting a straight sleeve block. This block is used for a variety of styles, and it is also a foundation block for drafting other sleeve types. A few measurements are required. These include the top arm measurement, length of arm measurement, length to elbow measurement, elbow width measurement, and wrist width measurement. The top arm measurement is taken around the fullest part of the arm. To do this, place your tape measure around the fullest part of the arm. This measurement is not too tight but fairly loose. Next is the length of arm measurement. The length of arm measurement, place your tape measure at the shoulder point through the elbow to the wrist bone on a slightly bedded arm. To do this, place your tape measure on the shoulder point through the elbow and down to the wrist bone, like I said, on a slightly bedded arm. Of course, this measurement is affected by individual preference, style, or fashion. Next is the elbow length measurement. Elbow length measurement is taken from the shoulder point to the elbow point, same as arm's length measurement, but this time it simply stops on the elbow level. Next is the elbow width measurement. The elbow width measurement is taken around the elbow on a belted arm. Place your tape measure around the elbow and make sure this measurement is not too tight or too loose. An additional ease is not needed because once it is taken on a bedded elbow, it's quite enough for the movement, for a free movement of the arm. The wrist width measurement is taken around the wrists. Of course, this measurement is also affected by style, individual preference, or according to fashion. These are the few measurements you'll be needing for drafting a straight sleeve block. Now, let's talk about the proportions you'll be needing to draft a straight sleeve block if you use Natalie Bray's method. In Natalie Bray's method, a table of sleeve proportion is provided as a guide. And on this table, we have bust sizes. And according to the bust sizes, we also have the top arm measurement. But this does not mean that the bust size must go with the actual top arm measurement. But this is just as a guide. The top arm measurement for bust 31 and 32 given as 11 inches plus 2 inches is going to give a sleeve size of 13 inches, meaning that your sleeve size is actually top arm measurement plus 2 inches in medium and smaller sizes. For bust 33 and 34, having the top arm as 11 and 3/8 inches plus 2 inches for the sleeve plus 2 inches, the sleeve size is going to be 13 and 3/8 inches. For a bust 35 and 35 3/4 inches, the top arm measurement 11 and 3/4 inches plus 2 inches, giving 13 and 3/4 inches as the sleeve size. But in larger sizes, 2 and 3/8 inches is added instead of 2 inches. For instance, for bust 42 and half and 43 and 3/4, giving a top arm of 13 and 3/4, 2 and 3/4 inches is added, making the sleeve size 16 and 1/8 inches. For bust 44 and 45 and 1/8, the top arm measurement 40 and half inches, 2 and 3/8 inches is added to that, giving the sleeve size 16 and 7/8 inches. So that means in medium and small sizes, simply add 2 inches to the top arm measurement to obtain your sleeve size. And in larger sizes, add 2 and 3/8 inches to the top arm measurement to obtain your sleeve size. Next is the crown depth or depth of crown, DC. This is also required for shaping the crown of the sleeve. This proportion is given according to bust sizes. For bust 31 and 32, the depth of crown is 4 7/8 inches, approximately 5 inches. For bust 33 and 34, the crown depth is 4 7/8 inches as well, approximately 5 inches. For bust 35 and 35 and 3/4, the crown depth is 5 1/8 inches. For bust 38 and 39, the crown depth is 5 1/4 inches. Also for bust 39 and half and 14 and half, the crown depth is 5 1/8 inches. And for bust 41 and 42, the crown depth is 5 1/8 inches. And that goes for all the bust sizes. Good thing is this crown depth measurement is just two sizes have the same depth of crown, and that means you can actually deduce your next depth of crown from the previous DC. Next is point B. Point B is also very important in drafting a straight sleeve block if you are to get the crown of the sleeve correctly. And that's why according to bust sizes, bust 31 and 32, the point B is 2 inches. For bust 33 and 34, the point B is also 2 inches or 2 inches plus. Then bust 35 and 35 and 3/4, 2 1/8 inches. For bust 36 and 37, 2 1/8 inches. For bust 38 and 39, 2 1/8 inches. For bust 39 and half and 14 and half, 2 1/8 inches. For bust 41 and 42, 2 3/8 inches. For bust 42 and half and 43 and 3/4, 2 3/8 inches. For bust 44 and 44 and 1/4, 2 3/8 inches. And for bust 45 and 5/8 and 46 and 1/4, 2 1/2 inches for point B. And for point F, simply add 1/4 each to point B to obtain your point F. So whatever you have on point B, add 1/4 each to it. That gives you your point F. In this chart, bust 31 and 32 have 2 1/4 as point F. Bust 33 and 34 have 2 1/4 as point F. Bust 35 and 35 and 3/4 have 2 inches and 3/8 as point F. And that's how to go about your point F and point B for drafting a straight sleeve block. The knowledge of this will help you make it easier for you to draft your sleeve block. So in my next video, I'll be applying these proportions and measurements in drafting a straight sleeve block, so that you too, when you want to draft your sleeve, you do the same thing. Get your proportions, get your measurements, and then go ahead and draft your straight sleeve block. So that will be all for now in this video. See you in my next video where I'll be drafting the straight sleeve block.